All right, guys, we got a 2018 BMW M5 competition F90 from our good friends at Holley Performance. We are going to install a Dinan axle back and Dinan X pipe for them today. Part number on the axle back is D6600079BLK. There'll be a link in the description for the whole system. Go ahead and start it up. This is before. How it sounds stock. Wow. Even stock, it sounds amazing. This is in full sport mode. This may or may not be stock. We will check. Here's the sound decibels before. About 99. One more. About 109 when it pops. All right. We'll show you guys after. Stay tuned.
It's been a 2018 BMW M5 competition. Look at this thing. Whoop! All murdered out, black and black and black. What a sexy, beautiful vehicle. All right, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got cats up here on this side and this side. Then it's got, instead of the middle resonator, we took it off and put a Dinan X pipe right there, as you guys can see, in place of the resonator that goes there. We had to put some washers there. So remember, guys, you got to put some washers for it to clear, okay? And 4 washers on the back side, okay? So it doesn't hit, because it was hitting without them. Then we took also, there was a double heat shield here. We took it off and put back only 1 heat shield. This kit reuses the middle section, as you guys can see there. And then he brought me also the back section, which has a muffler on it right there. And that's the one we put on. You guys can see it's a valve muffler with quad tips out the back that say Dinan. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Let me get you guys the part numbers. So there's the old muffler setup on it with the valves right here. Here's the part number for the new one. There'll be a link in the description and you can find them on holley.com. And then there's the mid resonator that we took off and replaced it with this one. That's the part number for that front section. All right. So hope this helps. Let you guys decide on what you guys want to do. I think it's going to sound phenomenal. We will see in a second. 2020 BMW M5. As you guys can see, carbon fiber front. I like it. It's clean. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So we showed you what it looked like before with the cats on each side. Now we deleted the mid resonator right there. Replace it with 3-inch pipe. Continues out the back. Stock muffler stays the same. And then it had a little crack right here. We welded it up for him too. But there it is. Nice and clean M5. All right, with the resonator delete. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off. First cold start. It should be in sport mode, which means the valve should be open. That sounds good. All right, give it gas. What do you think, Juan? What do you think, Abe? What do you think, homie? Yeah. That's got a 5.7 in it, too. That thing's a beast. This is comfort now. Go ahead. Yeah, it's a lot quieter in comfort. It's still clean, though. Here's sound decibels. Right at 94.9. Again. Okay, open them. Oh, there you go. There it is. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 114. Perfect. That's awesome. That's comfort again. Perfect. All right, go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You guys see that hotel? That means you're close. And if you see due west, it means you're close. Here we go. We're gonna back it out. Don't stay quiet on Dinan, guys. This sounds phenomenal. Just a clean, deep tone. And you can have the best of both worlds with it because of the valve. Go ahead. Again. Barbara's sitting still. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put it in comfort. Much better. So here we go, 2020 BMW M5 with a Resonator delete. Go ahead. Already a big difference. That's with valves closed. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Go ahead and open it up. He's gonna open it up real quick. It's open now. That's with Sport Plus. Wow, yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Again? 111. Heck yeah. 113. Go ahead and back it out. He's got a lot to do to it. He's gonna change it all up. He's a custom fabricator, so. Go ahead. That sounds so good. That sounds phenomenal. That little Resonator, how much of a difference it made. Yeah, I love it.
2018 BMW M5 F90, 4.4 liter V8 with a Dinan Exhaust full system, X-pipe, and axle back kit. Special thanks to Holley Performance for providing this Dinan system. And as you guys hear it, pull out. Dinan Exhaust. Oh yeah. Love it. Enjoy, guys.
BMW M5 with a res delete. It's got valves, so straight pipe basically. That sucker flies. That sucker flies, man. I love it. Enjoy, guys.